In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on Substack. Whether you're looking to clean up your content or simply need to remove a specific post, I'm here to guide you through this straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Substack dashboard. This is your command center, the place where you manage all your posts and account settings. If you're not already there, open your preferred web browser, navigate to Substack and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, cast your eyes upwards and locate the menu along the top. You're going to click on Posts. This will take you directly to a page listing all your published and draft posts. It's essentially an archive of everything you've written, so you can easily find the entry you're interested in. Next, go through your posts and identify the one that you wish to delete. This might be a post that's outdated, redundant, or perhaps something you no longer want associated with your publication. Whatever the reason, make sure you're certain about the post you want to remove, as this process will permanently delete it from your Substack library. Once you've found the post, look over to the right hand side of its title. You'll notice 3 dots positioned there. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop down menu. Here you'll see several options related to the post management, including the option to delete. Click on delete from this menu. After you've clicked on delete, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Substack uses this step to make sure that you're absolutely certain about deleting the post. It's a crucial checkpoint because once deleted, the content is permanently removed and you won't be able to recover it. So take a moment to read any message and ensure that you are deleting the correct post. If you're confident that you want to proceed, go ahead and click the delete button on the pop-up. This will remove the post from your Substack account completely, and voila, your post is now deleted. While the process is simple, it's important to remember that with this action, the post will no longer be accessible to your audience or yourself. It's always a good practice to double check before finalizing any deletions, especially if those posts hold significant value or information. And that wraps up our guide on how to delete a post on Substack. Hopefully this has made the process clearer and simpler for you. If you found this video helpful, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to tune in for more useful guides like this one.